Well, I messed up. Sometimes we make little mistakes that humble us, and then other times we make mistakes so stupid we question our existence. And I was trying to get the bark and ice off of this trailer, and I wasn't really looking at the hoses, I was looking at the bark, and my hoses were dangling down probably a little too far. I grabbed the bunk, and I didn't rip one off, I basically ripped all four off. These two are clean off. This one's really bent, and this one was kind of screwed up already. So it's going to be a trip to the hose shop and 4 hoses and a few fittings. So I don't think I'm cutting any wood today. I guess I gotta start turning some wrenches. All right, we've got about 38 minutes of daylight. We've got 4 new hoses, $352 later. Hopefully we were running before dark. Ideal working conditions here. Alright, I'm going to put these new ones on here, 90s. Hopefully that'll help prevent this from happening again. Alright, these are on snug, not tight but snug. Let's run the lines. Alright, they're on there loose. Gotta figure out how to clamp them to this thing. Some ripped off hose clamps. I figure out how to tie these up. I don't know if they're in the right spot. I'm gonna have to move the machine around. Alright, we're back together. I think I got it as good as you can get it. Everything tied back. Right here's a little sketchy. I don't know. Probably a little too late to start cutting wood. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe.